Alright, so we're going to be doing packet tracer 3.1.2.7 or 3.2.1.7, sorry. And then the first thing you're going to do is ping PC1 to PC4. So go ahead and do that. Now once you get that, you copy the reply and you paste it into your Word document. So I'm just going to indent and I'm going to make it change the color to red so you can identify my answers. Okay, after you do that, you're going to ping PC2 to PC5. So you go to PC2, desktop, command prompt, and you type in ping ping 172.17.20.25. And then you'll get replies. So you copy that, go ahead, paste it into your Word document. Alright, the next thing we're going to do is ping PC number 3 to PC6. So you type in ping.172.17.30.26. Then you'll get the replies, copy that, and then paste it. Alright, next thing we're going to do is check to see if computers can ping in other networks, and then it'll fail. So here I'm doing PC3 to PC 4, I believe, or I'm not sure which one it was, but it'll fail. And then you want to grab that data and then paste it into your Word document. Alright, so you fill out the answer for this, and I just put we're able to have more security, cost less, better performance. Alright, so to configure the VLAN, we're going to start with switch 1. You go into the CLI and you want to type in show VLAN brief. And first we're going to take that, copy and paste it into your Word document. Alright, so you go into your switch 1 and you want to type in EN for enable, then conf space T, then you press enter, and we're going to type in VLAN space 10, enter, and then you type name faculty / staff, and then that right there will name it. So right now what we're doing is naming VLAN 10. Alright, so you press enter on that, and then we're going to do the next one. So it's going to be alright, so moving on to the next one, it's going to be VLAN space 20, and then that one's going to be called students. So you type name and then students. And then moving on to the next one is going to be VLAN 30, and then name it guest, and then in parentheses default. Next one's going to be VLAN 99, and then the name is going to be management and native. So to name it a VLAN, you just type in VLAN, the number that it is, press enter, type in name, space, and then the name that you want to name it. Okay, after this we're going to go end, and then we're going to type in show VLAN brief, and then that'll show us that VLAN 10, 20, 30, and 99 names have changed to what we entered. So you can see right here, VLAN 10 is called faculty / staff, VLAN 20 is students, VLAN 30 is guest, and 99 is management and native. So now we're going to go to S2, and we're going to do the same exact thing. So en conf t VLAN 10 name space and then faculty / staff, and then you do the exact same thing. You do the exact same thing for switch 2 and 3. Okay, so once you're done with that, you just copy it, paste it into your Word document. Okay, now we're going to go into switch 2 and then type in conf space t, and we're going to do int fa 0/11. Press enter, and then you type in switch port access VLAN 10. All right, and then int fa 0/20 or /18, sorry, and then you put switch port access VLAN 20. and int fa0/6, and this is going to be switch port access VLAN 6 VLAN 30. Alright, so once you do that, you push end. You push end, and then you should push show VLAN brief, and then you can see that we assigned the VLANs to active ports. So here it says 10 goes with 011, and just paste that into your Word document, and you're going to want to do the same thing for switch 3. So you go in and you go to switch 3, you go int fa0/11, and you just go through the same process. So once you do that, just check to make sure you did everything correctly, and then we're gonna go to PC number 3 now. Then you go over to PC3, and you're gonna want to ping 172.17.30.26. Okay, so we're not gonna get a response, but that's what we wanted, so just select that and then copy it, paste it into your Word document. And then the reason this is happening is because trunking has not been set up between switch 1 to switch 2 and switch 1 to switch 3. Alright, so then you go to switch 2, and you're going to put int g0/1, and you're going to type in switchboard access or switchboard mode trunk, and now we're enabling trunk. Okay, after you do that, you're going to want to go into switch 1 and do the same thing, conft or en conft switch port mode trunk, enter int g0/2. Then you do it again for switch number 3. So you go conft int g0/2 switch port mode trunk. Could be done to resolve this issue. So you got to set up trunk between S1 and S2, and also between S1 and S3. So you go into PC1 and then you type in ping dot or ping 172.17.10.24 and you'll get a reply. You copy the data and paste it into your Word document. That's it.